Hello from Tel Aviv. The nice thing about Tel Aviv, what I am noticing is that the old is with the new combined perfectly. I was walking along the promenade with all the high-rise buildings, beautiful promenade by the sea. It was amazing. It was like being somewhere else, but not Tel Aviv. Like somewhere, I don't know, like America, Florida, something like that. Then you come from the promenade, 2 minutes inside, and you see the iconic bell tower, for example. There is the Jaffa Mosque, which you can hear as I'm talking the prayers. And I will turn around the video to show you a little bit this area. So that's the bell tower. If you're in Tel Aviv, you must come and have a look. This is iconic. So I'm going to walk you around this interesting area. Here I'm not even far from the old town. Around the corner there's the Jaffa Mosque. And 2 minutes, not even 2 minutes by walk, there's that beautiful promenade and the sea. So, like I said, it's a very nice combination with old and new in Tel Aviv. Here it is, the Jaffa Great Mosque. And here, as you can see, meters away from the seafront, near the mosque, there is this amazing thing, and apparently they use it for the Muslims to wash their hands before they go into the mosque. Now I am going to start filming, so you have a little idea what's the old Jaffa in Tel Aviv looks like. This is the entrance. So I'll be stopping the video so I don't make it so long, but I will show the most interesting things to see from inside old Jaffa in Tel Aviv. So, welcome to old Jaffa, and this is the entrance going up these narrow stairs. I've already had a look in some of the very interesting old narrow roads, so I thought I'll come back down and start the video from the entrance. You can go that way, or you can climb more stairs to keep going further in and further around this beautiful well maintained, very clean old Jaffa in Tel Aviv. See, wherever I show you, wherever I go around, there's more and more places to discover, including these little tunnels, which, if you happen to be quite tall, you have to be careful in case you hit your head. But I am okay because I'm only 165 centimeters. So, there you are. More stairs. Very beautiful. So I'm still walking around. I decided not to go that way, but instead keep climbing. I like the fact that with every step, it's like they painted it yellow. I guess to be able to see, maybe at night. Yeah, there is some lights. Oh, there's a big place here. That's like a big square here. So probably this was the square of Jaffa. Ah, look where I ended up. That's good. So I made a good turning. Wow, so big, look. Wow. Beautiful. Glad I took this turning. Look what I was seeing here. What nearly I missed here. Huh? You see? Even your turnings you have to choose correctly. Beautiful. What a nice big place. All them narrow streets. Shoot. So, I think I will be going now this way because there's probably views of the sea. A nice fountain here with water. That's nice, that building. Yeah, look how nice. Beautiful, look, beautiful. But we're gonna go this way. Even this building with the blue windows here is really nice, huh? See? So far so good, Tel Aviv, huh? After Jerusalem, to be honest, I wasn't really looking forward for coming here. But now I am. Now I am enjoying it. You know? They still left the old and they are constantly building the new. That is the story of this place. So here is another interesting, beautiful house. Like I always say, it's always better to come in person. These videos, I do them just for anyone that has not been, to have an idea what it's all about. So this is old Jaffa in Tel Aviv, walking around the narrow streets and this beautiful stairs everywhere, going every single direction. Actually, it's like a maze. Sometimes there's doors open of houses which they are renovating. This is, you see, you walk in, what you'll find. So this is the house of Simon the Tenors. The Zakarain family.
You want to take a video?
It's okay, I'm taking the video. Thank you. I have no idea what it's all about. Here there's always a sign. Various Christian traditions tell the story of Simon the Tanner, who lived in this house and hosted Peter the Apostle. Ah, Peter the Apostle was here. It was here that Peter raised Tabitha from the dead and saw his famous vision in which he was commanded to eat animals regarded as unclean in Jewish tradition. When he refused, he heard a voice saying, "What God has cleansed you must not call common." Peter interpreted his vision as divine permission to forego the Jewish commandments to preach Christianity. See? And this is believed to be what went on. Okay, so that's interesting. See? Now I keep walking this way. I will stop the video so it's not so long. And if you want to see more, catch a plane and come to Tel Aviv. Again, as you're walking on the right hand side, you have to admire these beautiful, massive hotels. And on your left, you've got the sand and the sea. Now, along this promenade, the amount of beaches there is, it's hard to mention all of them. I don't have a map in my hand, because if I did, I would be mentioning all the names, but I can remember that there is Tel Aviv Beach, there is Banana Beach, it's only two. Anyway, but it's just beach after beach. This would be one beach, look. Unfortunately, I cannot see, or maybe I'm not seeing the name of where I am. You know, I'm not seeing the name where I am, unless it's in their language. It would be interesting to know, for example, what beach at the moment I am walking by. Then there is these things going up like this, which then you can have a view of the beach and the next one. Sometimes there will be a section where they make the exercises and lifting weights. Again, I have to admire the cleanness of everywhere. Yes, actually, look, there is a thing here, look, and it's saying Giwala Beach, but then underneath it's saying Banana Beach. So what is it? Giwala Beach or is it Banana Beach? So I don't know, but anyway, Banana Beach sounds better, so I am in Banana Beach, I guess. You see, so I walked up, then there is these things here, look, which you can sit down and have the shade. They do everything exactly and everything nice, as you can see. Here there is an Israeli flag. See, I am here at the end of November, almost December, so there isn't much people swimming. And like I said, this is gonna keep going on and on and on. I have no intention to stop. Apparently, when you come, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 kilometers that way, I am gonna find a big park that then is joined with another big park that's gonna be north of Tel Aviv. And apparently it's a park which it has over 30 acres. So that's my intention, to walk all the way up there. In the meantime,